Good morning, guys, and welcome to the Storm Morning Meeting. It is the 31st of August 2021. We're going to just do a quick debrief on what we're thinking on the day. Yeah, so quickly this morning, I think, we had US markets that are just keep climbing higher following the Fed on Friday. Participation, obviously, volumes are quite light. We had the UK close yesterday, so no real direction there. And we had some commentary from a few Chinese officials about some of the monopolies there and all the trouble they're causing. So yeah, we had tech sell off a little bit in the States, but actually rebounded to the closing of the session. And then this morning we had some weaker factory orders slowing in China. And I think, so some not great news out of China, but I think a lot of these could be in some of the prices, and as we await Friday's non-farm. So let's have a look quickly at one or two of ideas. I think the first one that we're going to be looking at will be CFR. CFR has traded, I think, not great since some of the China clampdown stuff. I think luxury good taxes coming into the play and a bit of a stronger rand. So I think obviously it is the last day of the month, and we do have MSCI today, but I think actually there's a few sells in the basket. So CFR one that we may be looking to look for short entry. The stock was sold off quite hard yesterday. 169 sort of a level there, but yeah, we're looking for a little bit of entry there in CFR. Then, Naspers and Process are going to be quite interesting today. I've seen Tencent actually recovered quite decently since it was down 3+% this morning. Guys are saying they expect to see about a 3% impact on Tencent's earnings revenue with these new regulations. So I don't know what's in the price, but yeah, just one or two levels. I think $2,410 and 2,541 sort of levels to maybe monitor to see which way it might go. And then I think we're going to be watching maybe the commodity counters with Anglos and Billies were closed yesterday. So I think there might be an opportunity to watch how they open in London today. I think with iron ore down quite considerably, they might give you an opportunity to maybe sell some bulletins if they cross a bit low. I think Billies is down a little bit in Oz, and they traded up yesterday on really, really light volume. So bulletins might be one that we're going to be watching just for an open play. Other than that, I think Nedbank's probably the biggest of the MSCI buys. So we might be watching Nedbank. Let's see if the strength is there or it's sold. And then one of the favorites in our office at the moment, AEG, came out with their numbers into the close. All in all, I think they look pretty decent. So that might be one to keep your eye on this morning. Obviously not a pretty tight game that's in play there, but yeah, let's watch those as well. And then I think our call on the Aussie this morning is to maybe a little bit of the downside. I think 6,500 is the level that we'll be watching quite closely. And I think if you do might make it a retest, I think that might be an inflection point to see where we go next. That's all our ideas for the day. Good luck.